yan, no, pwedeng ikaw to or ang person mo, right? No, so meron ditong nalulungkot, no, maybe both of you, no, nalulungkot because hindi nyo akalain na mangyayari to sa inyong relasyon, no, for some of you, no. So kumbaga talagang meron ditong hindi kayo pagkakaunawaan, no, lagi kayong nagtatalo, no. Kumbaga parang ito nga, oh, literally, no, enemy lover, no. So parang kayo, kumbaga lover kayo at the same time kayo din yung number one na enemy sa isa't isa, no. Kumbaga parang nagmamahalan kayo pero kayo din yung kayo rin yung number one na magkaaway, no, something like that, no. So talagang lagi kayong hindi nagkakasundo ng tao na ito, no, mga Aries, no. So kumbaga lagi talaga kayo nag-aaway. And then meron ditong physical abuse, and then of course mentally and spiritually. So marami kayo talagang hindi pagkakasundo ng tao na ito, no. So that's why, no, kung ikaw man itong na-abuse, no, so meron talaga ditong separation, no. So no, talagang and then someone is lonely na, no, kasi nga ay may separation. So ayun lang naman yung nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you. Aries, no. So just take what's resonate, and kayo lang din nakakaalam, no, kung sino man itong person na ito, right, na abusive, no. There is a domestic violence here, no. Merong sakitan na nangyayari sa inyo once na nagtatalo kayo, no, for some of you. So let's see naman, no, what's the advice or message for you, no, mga Aries, no. So ng iyong inner self, no, kuha tayo ng one card for you, Aries. One card for you, message or advice from your inner self, no. So tignan natin. So you have this angel of truth, no. So no, sinasabi dito ng iyong sarili, no, iyong sarili, ng inner self, no. So this is your inner self, no, mga Aries, no. So sinasabi dito ng iyong inner self, no, with this angel of truth, no. So kumbaga parang sinasabi rito, just speak for the truth, no. So no, kumbaga ayun ang nakikita ko rito, no. Kumbaga you have to tell the truth, no, something like that, no. So ito yung sinasabi sa iyo ng inner self mo, because kung makikita mo rito, no, kung makikita mo literally, no, sa iyong sarili, no, sa iyong inner self, no, kung makikita mo, kumbaga parang no, yung bang